The Ramayana is the perennial stream of divine compassion in which millions of thirsty souls have quenched their thirst for peace and succor. When Vibhishana, the younger brother of Ravana, stood up for the cause of righteousness, he had to initially face almost insurmountable problems. Unceremoniously banished from his kingdom, he was reduced to a pauper from a prince. But in the face of such an overwhelming adversity, he took the right decision to seek the shelter at the lotus feet of God, the eternal guardian of righteousness.
Lord, my pranams to you.
Greetings to you, my friend. What brings you here in such haste?
A Rakshasa by name Vibhishana has come to seek your succor. He is the brother of our enemy, Ravana.
What does he say?
He says that he has been humiliated and thrown out by his brother Ravana when he tried to advise him to retract from the sinful path and offer Mother Sita back to you.
Sugriva, let us consider the pros and cons carefully before we arrive at a decision. What is your opinion?
A Rakshasa must never be trusted. Most probably, this Vibhishana is sent by Ravana to spy on our forces. He may win your confidence first, and then will work for our downfall.
Angada,
Lord, there is nothing in the three worlds that is not known to you. But as per your command, let me express my feelings. Vibhishana must be treated with suspicion. We must find out whether he really is sincere in what he says. Only then can we accept him into our camp.
Hanuman,
Jai Shri Ram. My lord, Vibhishana is a great devotee of yours. His life is like a lotus that blossoms in slush. I saw Vibhishana when he spoke to Ravana against his decision to kill me. His face was calm and he did not appear to be deceptive in any way. My lord, he has openly renounced his brother and has come to you for refuge. In my humble opinion, we must accept him and his words to be genuine. Jai Shri Ram.
Lakshmana, what do you feel?
Brother, can there be any difference between your will and mine? I have no other thoughts. Your wish is my command.
I have made my decision in this matter. It is my vow that I shall not refuse succor to anyone who comes to me. Let it be anybody. Let him come and say once that I am yours. And I shall grant him freedom from fear once and for all.
सकृदेव प्रपन्नाय तवास्मीति च उच्यते अभयं सर्वभूतेभ्यो ददामि एतत् व्रतं मम.
Sugriva, today it is just Vibhishana. Even if Ravana comes, I shall grant him refuge too.
O Dharmamurti, I fail to fathom the depths of your compassion. Forgive me and allow me to bring Vibhishana to you.
Swami! Swami! Your servant surrenders at your feet, seeking refuge. I have come to you, leaving behind my wife, children, and everything in Lanka. I have none else but you. You are everything to me, O Rama. I surrender my joys, my sorrows, and my very life at your divine lotus feet.
None seeks my refuge in vain. Ravana's days are numbered. You are the king of Lanka. That is my Sankalpa. I swear in the name of my 3 brothers that I will not return to Ayodhya unless I achieve this objective. I shall crown you right now as the king of Lanka.
Lord, what if Ravana seeks your refuge now?
If that be so, then I shall request brother Bharata to crown him as the king of Ayodhya.
प्रभु के आशीष